In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Desmos to solve equations. This example says, what is the value of x in this equation? 4x plus 8 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 5. Step 1 is make sure that you're using x as your variable. Now, this may depend on which version of Desmos that you're using, but if you're using this to tell your students or you're trying this on your own, it's best practice to just go ahead and use x for your variable. So I've typed in the whole equation so that way you can see it clearly, but what you're going to do is put just the left side in the first line and then just the right side in the second line. And you'll see that the two lines appear on the graph. Sometimes I tell students put y in front of both of those and write it actually as two separate equations, especially if you're talking about systems of equations or systems of inequalities. You want them to write it algebraically properly. But you'll see that the two lines appear. And now you're going to adjust your window by using these toggle buttons on the right side. So I'm going to zoom out and I see that point of intersection, and I can click on the point of intersection here and see that that is the ordered pair 112. So real solutions will be at a gray dot, and if you click the gray dot, it'll turn black so you can hold it and see that ordered pair easily. There's some other gray dots up here. These are other key features of that linear function for the line in blue.